Hey Bustie.
What is it, Mum?
We are going to a Bonfire Night festival to watch the fireworks. And it takes place at your school, and we're going there tonight. And you better be on your best behavior or else you're grounded.
Okay, Mum. I promise I'll behave.
Hi, Bustie.
Oh, hello, Blaze, my love. Nice to see you.
You too, Bustie. How have you been?
Not too great. Last episode, I got arrested again for killing my enemy along with my other friends.
What? I'm so sorry to hear that.
I know, right, bro? It was a fucking nightmare being in jail. I couldn't do anything awesome there.
It's okay, Bustie. You're not in jail anymore. Let's just forget about it and at least have some fun.
You're right, Blaze. I need to just forget about it and move on.
That's great to hear.
I'm going to go in the playground to mess around. Bustie. You're not supposed to be in the playground, because the staff said that playing there was not safe at this time because of the fireworks. Hey! Shut the fuck up, Yasmin. Don't tell me what I can and can't do, because you're not the boss of me. I can do whatever the fuck I want, when I want. That's not true. In life, people can't do what they want all the time. They have to follow rules so that they don't get in trouble. Shut the fuck up, you fucking loser. What you're saying is complete bullshit. You're so full of bullshit. I mean, what the fuck? No, you're the one that's full of bullshit. Oh my god, just leave me the fuck alone, Yasmin. You're ruining my fucking night. It's not just your night, it's everyone else's. You need to stop treating others except the other troublemakers like shit. You know what? Fuck this shit. I'm so fucking sick and tired of people bossing me around all the time and never letting me do whatever the fuck I want. I'm going to blow you like a firework. I will tie you up on a large firework, launch you into the sky, and then you will blow up into pieces. You better not do that. Yes, I fucking will. Here we go. Okay, ready to launch you out of the sky? No, please. Don't do this to me. Too bad. Now it's time to launch you into the sky. Prepare to get blown up, you fucking bitch. Yes. I blew up Yasmin. Oh shit. I heard Yasmin's mum screaming. I'm so fucked.
No. Yasmin's gone. What kind of sick person would do such a thing? Wait a minute. I think I know who it was who would do something like that. It would have been, oh my fucking god. It was probably Bustie who did it, because she hates Yasmin. And also, Bustie is a heavy smoker, and I can smell cigarettes from where Yasmin was about to be launched into the sky. That's it. I'm telling her mom.
I need to get out of here before someone finds out.
Surprise, Bustie. I caught you big time. Yasmin's mum told me that you launched Yasmin into the sky using fireworks. Is this true?
No. Of course I didn't do it. I would never do such a thing.
I smell lies. Tell me the truth right now, or else I'm deleting your Instagram account.
Okay. You got me. I launched Yasmin into the sky because she was annoying me.
I knew it. I knew you would do that, because I know what you're like and you're always causing trouble. We're going home now and you will be in deep trouble. Bustie. I can't fucking believe that you've killed someone again. How dare you blow up Yasmin by launching her into the sky using fireworks. Yasmin is now dead thanks to you. And you're lucky that Born on the Wrong Planet is far too lazy to put you in jail. That's it. You're grounded until Yasmin comes back to life. Go to your room and go to bed.
Wah